A word that shows any action being done is called action words. Look at these sentences. Mohan is climbing a tree. Jenny is watering the plants. Priya is washing the dishes. Rahul is cleaning the car. The words climbing, watering, washing and cleaning are action words. They tell us what is being done. Look at these sentences. What is the girl doing? The girl is skipping. What are you doing? I am playing. What is the man doing? The man is reading newspaper. What is the grandfather doing? The grandfather is walking. What are the girls doing? The girls are dancing. What is the swimmer doing? The swimmer is swimming in the swimming pool. What is Geeta doing? Geeta is watching TV. What are the kids doing? The kids are reading. The girl is singing or dancing. The girl is singing. The boy is studying or playing. The boy is studying.